Financial News Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we've got a mixed bag out here. The Dow and S&P and NASDAQ 100 down 64, 7, and 2 points, while the Russell 2000 is up 11 points, trade out at 1912. Semis are off 1. They're basically flat. New York Stock Exchange is flat. Wilshire is flat. Trannies are down 165 points. You've got gold off $4, silver up 3 pennies, light sweet crude up $1.64 out there. So let's begin by taking a look at the S&P 500. So what is it doing? What is it doing out here? Well, if we take a look at the S&P cash indice, here's what we see. We see a TD9 count top that formed. It did that 2 days ago. Yesterday, you get a nice little bearish engulfing candle. Prices back below Stevie's green line. This is a signal to you and I that the S&P 500 wants to move back to the 3594 level. That is its TD9 breakout area. Now, if that's going to happen, we have to flip over from the S&P 500 chart to the equity futures. The reason that we need to do that, folks, is because they provide us with key levels of support and resistance. Now, the question I pose to you is, was today a buy the dip move? Was today a buy the dip move? Why would Stevie ask that question? Well, if we take a look at, here's the ES mini. We're rolling over into the March 2021 contract. So it's a perfect time for me to use my synthetic version of the contract, which is what we have out here. And these yellow lines, they represent the bottom of a TAS market profile. Those would be your buy the dip areas. And that's what took place this morning. Now, the trading day is not over. And if, in fact, the ES mini closes below 3641.25, then what we will have is a change in trend signal, such as these red arrows are showing on my screen. But not until then. You want to take a look at the buy the dip message out here? It's much easier to see when you take a look at the NQ. Take a look at, from the March lows out here, the number of times that price came back and tested the bottom of a profile. I'm only showing you the bottom of a profile. I'm only showing you the support level. And that really brings us to where we're at today inside the NASDAQ 100. And you're going to need to watch the Trader's Edge show because I'm not going to have enough time to go through all this with you. But I can say this. If this is just a counter trend rally, and the NQ is saying right now that's a possibility, you're going to want to watch the level of 12,439. If the NQ closes above that, she or he is going to make a run for 12,557. Right now it's the NQ that is the weak link out here, but still has positive market breadth. I'll cover that during the Trader's Edge show. Drop the start for Thursday. Have a thirsty one.